Hey guys, let's take a quick look here at this cool little cordless heat gun. Now it comes with your heat gun. We've got our instructions in here. You got your charging cable because it's USB-C rechargeable there on the back side. And you've got a little attachment up here if you want to do some more indirect heat, or maybe you got to smooth out some plastic welding or something. And it comes with a little stand, so you pop that out and then it stands right up. You've got your buttons over here. It does come in lockout mode. You press your plus button up here 3 times real quick to take it out of the lockout, and then you'll long press that to turn it on. And once it comes on, you can see I've got this one at 400 degrees. We press our button there, we can go to 300, 200, 100, and that's as low as we go. And then if we want to turn it back off, we just press and hold there. And then it turns back off. And if you want to put it back into the lockout mode, it's just 3 quick presses there. You can see it's flashing that GGG on it. Not sure that's a G. Maybe if I hold it upside down like that, it's a G. But that's back in lockout mode, so it's good for transport. It's not going to turn on you once you get back to wherever you're going to use it. Just 3 quick presses, turns back on, and you're ready to go. Nice, cool little heat gun. If you don't want to drag out the big one and the cord and everything, just need to do a couple really quick things. It's got a 30-minute runtime on it.